Welcome to my CoSpaces.edu tutorial of animal animations. First, go to Library. Library is on the bottom left, right here. It looks like a box with shapes in it. When you press Library, a window comes up. There is a section called Animals, right there. Tap on that. When you find the animal you like, hold it down and drag it up. Play the video. Yes, this video right here to see how. Double tap the animal and a black selection should appear. There is a section on the top that says Animations. Press that. There are a lot of different animations, but you have to choose one. Watch this video to see how. Right here. Then press play and watch your animal do cool things. Watch the video right here to see how.